Hello everyone, this is Nathan Rice from Orange Shorts, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Alright, first thing you need to know about the Rubik's Cube is that it's 3 squares by 3 squares by 3 squares. It looks like a lot of squares, but don't worry, this is going to be an easier tutorial for beginners. So I will only teach you one video at a time how to solve the white, then how to solve these center parts, then how to solve the... Okay, sorry, everybody, it's black. Yours might be yellow, but... Sorry about that, but yours might be yellow, so I'm just going to refer to this black part as yellow. Alright, now let's get started. What you need to know about the Rubik's Cube is that it has like a certain code to it, how to solve it. Some ways, like doing this and then this, I don't know, just that's a certain way than doing it from this way and this way. It's all different. Some people have different ways of solving it than others. I will be teaching you the beginner's method, not speed cubing. This is for beginners, people who don't know anything about the Rubik's Cube. I will teach you everything about it. What you need to know is there are 6 sides in 6 different colors. The one that we notice the most is white. This is black right now, but I'm sorry so much, guys, but I think it looks awesome with black. I'm just going to refer to this as yellow, okay? Yellow and white, blue and green, orange and red. If you turn it around, the opposite of red is orange, the opposite of green is blue, and the opposite of white is yellow. Now, I'm going to teach you how to do algorithms. Scary word, isn't it? Don't worry, guys. It's just a fancy word for, like, code. It's a certain, if it says, like, a certain letter, then you do a certain thing on your cube. Alright. First, there's U. U means up, which is this top part right here. When it says U, you turn like this, because look, pretend this is like the arm of a clock, because you're turning it clockwise. Arm of the clock, clockwise. That's whenever you see U. When you see U prime, which is a U with a little line over it, you do this. Now, there's front, which is F. When you see F, you do this. And then when you see F prime, which is a little line over it, you do this. No, don't be confused with this one, because whenever you're doing up, you don't do this. And then you do it. You just keep it right here, and you do up. Up. Simple. And when you're doing front, you just keep it right in front of you, and just do front. Next, there's R, which means right. So if you look at it from here, you're doing this, but don't look at it from there. You just do it like this. R. And then R prime is the other way, which is counterclockwise. Then there's left, which is this. You're technically doing this, but don't look at it like that. And when it's a FL with a little line over it, which means prime, you do like this. Then there's down, which is opposite of up. You turn this way when it's a little d. And then when there's a D with a line over it, you turn this way. And for back, which is probably the most confusing part, so it's opposite front. When you're doing this, B means you're doing this. When you look at it, you're actually doing it correctly. See? It's B. Clockwise. You're doing it correctly. And B prime is this way. Alright, I'm going to mix up this cube and we can get started on how to solve the white. Now that it's mixed up, I will teach you how to solve the white. Other thing you need to know is that the middle does not move. So you see this middle here? That's where you need to put the white. You don't put it here because then the middle will be orange, and that's incorrect. You need to put the white here, up on the top where the white middle is. Okay, let's get started. So, these are called edges and these are called corners. You need to find an edge with white on it. Let's look. Ah, here's one. Okay, you move it up here. Do R. So now it's up here, but oh man, the middle's not matched up. That's not that hard. Just match it up with the middle. Now you have a line. Next, you need to get another color. Here is green and white, and you want to get here. You're like, oh no, how do I do that? Simple. Turn this way. Okay. But then you're like, oh no, it's messed up. What do I do here? Just turn it back up and move it back. See, look, this is here now, and this is here. We have like almost a 2x2, I guess. Now you gotta do it with another color. Here is red, and it's on the bottom, and you want to get it here. You turn like this, okay? Or you could turn like this, but I usually go like this. Then I turn up. Then I turn this way. See, look? Matched up. It's nice. Now, let's do that again with this one. Turn this way. Turn up. Turn over. And then turn this one back. Because when you did that, you messed it up, so you just move it right back. Alright then, now let's solve the corners. When solving the corners, they will, if it's on a certain side, you'll have something different to do every time. Only when the white is facing you this way, you'll do something different from when the white is facing this way. Alright, here is red and green. We need to match it up with the red and green side, because these are correct because they're matched up with these. So, here we go. Red is pointing here, kind of like a diagonal. Now, you turn away from you, turn this down, bring it over, bring it up. Look, it matches. Yes, you feel great now, don't you? Now, there's another part here, okay? You match it up here, and this is the right color, it goes here too. So you turn away, bring down, bring over, and bring right back up. Now look, you got it all matched here. Next part. Oh no, what do I do here? This is impossible. Don't worry, just pick one of these and put it there, just like you've been doing on the other sides. So let's say I'm going to put this here. Okay, turn away, bring down, bring over. Now it's matched up, and you bring it back up. And now you have this. It's diagonal, it's correct. You move away, bring it down, bring it over, and bring it up. Now you have one more to do. You need to solve this one, and it's facing down. You do kind of like what you've been doing before, except you don't bring it back up. So, see, it's pointing down. You turn down. You turn around. Okay? Bring it back up. Now you turn it here, and it's matching up with the red. You turn over. Turn down. Bring it over. See, now it's matched up. And you bring it up. And that is how you solve the white.